Hi there, Bart here. I'm a full-time game developer and I've been doing that for a little bit over a year. This is my introductory video. Before that I was a game developer on the side. I was doing that on the side. I also had a full-time job. I was a software developer. I did some web stuff, mostly in C#, which made the transition into Unity really easy. It was like over 10 years ago, so Unity was pretty much the only choice that I had other than self-made engines, which I also tried. But yeah, I was able to finally quit my job in November 2024. I was fortunate enough to do that because one of the games that I made was making enough money to convince me that I can sustain myself and my family from it. And I waited quite a long time because I wanted to be sure that the income was not random, but I was able to generate enough income for like 18 months straight before I quit. So I guess I could have been a full-time game dev for 2.5 years. But yeah, I just wanted to be on the safe side since I have kids, and I wanted to try game development full-time because I was close to being 40 and I figured that it's now or never, basically. So yeah, it had its ups and downs, but ultimately I'm happy with the choice I made. So yeah, I procrastinated on making game dev videos and on starting YouTube for quite a long time. But yeah, finally I was able to beat that and record this video. Hopefully it's going to be interesting to someone. I plan to talk about the different stuff that I learned over the years of game dev, about game dev, marketing, business, and even about some self-help stuff, like how I beat procrastination, which was a big part of my development journey, unfortunately. But I think it's pretty normal, so that might be interesting for you. I also used 2 different engines, Unity and Unreal, and I made full games with them, so that might be something that might be interesting to people. And yeah, I'm sure I have a lot of different things that I might talk about. If you have any specific ideas or something that you would like to listen about me talk about, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!